Hello viewers, I have been using Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus for a couple of days and I have been getting mixed results using this tablet. The form factor of this tablet is very handy. It is portable, you can carry it very easily. If you compare it with Oneplus Pad Lite, actually Oneplus Pad Lite is little bit on the heavier side. On the front you will get 11 inches LCD display. The display looks very good as per the price point. You are getting 90Hz adaptive refresh rate along with this tablet. If I go into the about sections of this tablet, you can see that this tablet is running on Android 15 along with One UI 7, and also the security patch level is latest, so you don't have to worry about anything on this tablet. Also, as it is a Samsung product, you will get regular software updates. The display of A9 Plus is non-HDR, but you can play HDR videos up to 1080p 60 fps. I have tested it side by side with Oneplus Pad Lite. You can see that Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus display is little bit on the higher side in terms of brightness. However, Oneplus Pad Lite also has a very good display, but if you compare side by side, you will definitely like A9 Plus display. The maximum capacity that it can play is 1080p 60 fps. The quad speakers are actually very good on A9 Plus. One of the main highlighting features of Samsung tablets are One UI. In the One UI, you will get lots of customization option. You can change wallpapers, you can change color palette. Though it is not an AMOLED display, yet you will have enough brightness and the sunlight legibility, and also there is no color shift in this display. Actually, One UI is one of the best UIs in the Android arena, so you will have a lots of fun using this tablet with One UI 7.0. As the display features 90Hz refresh rate, you will feel snappiness while using this tablet. And you can also change the adaptiveness or the motion of the display by going into the settings and motion animations or smoothness. You can set up to adaptive or standard. In the battery department, A9 Plus is a little bit weaker as it comes with 7000 mAh battery. You can expect around 6 to 7 hours plus SOT on a single charge. However, there are many battery settings that you can use in A9 Plus. It supports fast charging. Also, it can protect the battery health by charging it up to 85%. So I would say that the battery life of A9 Plus is decent enough, but it is not comparable to Oneplus Pad Lite. One UI has many customization features. You can change the look and feel of any wallpaper, as you can see here. If I talk about the drawbacks, it doesn't have any pen support, so you have to buy another tablet if you want to take notes with the use of S Pen or any other pen on your tablet. Plus, the processor is not so powerful, so you cannot expect high-end video editing or high-end gaming from this tablet. This tablet is ideal for those who wants to consume multimedia, also want to use quad speakers, and the best features of One UI from Samsung. So in the conclusion, should you buy Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus? The answer is yes. If you get the 128GB with 8GB RAM under the price bracket of 12,000 rupees, you can definitely consider buying this tablet. You will get a very good offers during Big Billion Days sale, so wait for that sale to grab this tablet. Hope this video has become informative to you. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, share this video and subscribe the channel for more such interesting videos. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.